Hi, it's Phil here, and in this video we're just going to look at the concepts of funnels. First of all, sales funnels, website funnels, etc. And then we're going to move into how to design a sales funnel, how to do some funnel hacking, and also look at the software to create your first funnel. And I'm going to show you how you can create your first funnel for free, 100% for free, to get you started. So if you look here, the standard sales funnel, what we have here is we have the website visitor. This is basically a website sales funnel. So you have the website visitor. Now what will happen is they'll basically come from any traffic source that you have out there. It could be social media, so it could be something you have on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever, and it'll inspire them to take action. And the first part of the action is to come across to your website, and that's the awareness side of things. So they start looking at the awareness. So if you looked at the marketing concept of AIDA, attention, interest, desire, and action, AIDA, A-I-D-A, that's A with an A for apple, it's my accent. So it's attention, interest, desire, and action. That links to what we have here within the funnel. So basically, you can see the website visitor is A, attention. Tofu, which is the middle of the funnel, is interest. Mofu, middle of the funnel, which is desire. And the bofu, which is the bottom of the funnel, is action. This is where they're going to take action and buy from you. That's the whole concept of this. So basically, you'll start off with, say, 100 people at the top of the funnel. It'll filter down, so you might have 30, maybe it's even just 20 in the top of the funnel. So sorry, the website visitor is 100. You top the funnel, you may get 30, you may get 20, you may get less. Mofu, you're filtering down even further. But as you filter, you're getting better quality customers or potential customers, better quality prospects as they go through that funnel process. And at the end, you'll have that percentage from the original 100. That percentage, it could be 1%, 5%. If you're lucky, 10%, who'll go through and buy what you're selling. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get and filter through from the prospects, people who are just tire kickers, to prospects, to people who've got some real genuine desire, and then to go through and to take action within your funnel. So that's basically what it is. So it's AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action. Website visitor, that's the top layer. This is where you attract people from whatever marketing method you're using. As I say, social media, Facebook ads, could be a YouTube video, could be TikTok, could be Instagram. They then visit your website. If they're interested, they'll sign into your funnel. They'll give you their name and address, or just your email address rather. And then what you can do now is start marketing into them. That moves into the middle of the funnel. This is where you really start getting that desire built up, where they're really interested in what you have to offer. They want to learn more. They've got a desire to change their lives, for example, or desire to lose weight, or whatever it is. So they're going to take more action. And then at the end of it, you've done enough convincing, you've done enough to share your experiences, you've got enough to give value, where that person's going to say, right, I now want to buy what you're selling. And that's how we move them through that funnel stage. Now, that's the concept. Let's have a look at what a funnel looks like. This is what our class has been a solo ad funnel. So this is, we've putting this out to solo ads, so we're using somebody else's list. They're going to send out email. And in this funnel here, what you have is just a basic enter your email details. Here's a little bit about what we have to offer. Enter your email details, and we'll send you the information. That works really well in a solo ad. There's not much about the website. There's not much about that page. It's just enter your email and take action. There's no privacy policies. There's no other professional pages on there like disclaimers and things like that, because we're sending it through somebody else's email. A more advanced funnel is this funnel here. This is from my Ultimate Side Hustle book. And what we have here is a full-blown sales page. And I'll scroll through the page and show you the aspects of the page. So somebody come here from my social media, or from an advert, a Facebook ad, or from YouTube, etc. They'll arrive on the page. It should be something that they're interested in. In this case, it's going to be side hustles, so learning how to find the best side hustle for them. They'll see the offer. This is where I'm going to ask them to give their details and move to step 2. And they can see the price here. So I'm saying there is actually a price involved. There's an investment involved to grab access to the book. This is where I'm collecting the names and addresses. The names and addresses, the name and the email address. And this is where they're going to get access and get into my funnel. So then I can start moving through that funnel process, which I've just lost the image, but not worry. So that's how we do it. So this is a full-blown funnel, a full-blown website type funnel. And if you scroll down here, you'll see we've got the professional pages, privacy policy, because terms and conditions, privacy policy, because we're collecting their emails, disclaimers, cookies and things like that as well. All that good stuff that you need on your website if you're going to be promoting us on Facebook or Google, or even if you're just going to be doing SEO, you need to have these disclaimers on your website. So this is more of an advanced funnel. So that's the sort of style of it. Now, before I start going into the funnels, what I like to do is I like to bring up Funneletics, and this is Funneletics here. And what this does is it allows me to map out a sales funnel, and this is what we're going to walk you through. We're going to walk you through a few concepts of sales funnels. So we have the traffic on the left, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc., TikTok, all that good stuff, wherever you're going to get your traffic from. And I'll show you another one for solo ads in just a moment. So the idea is we're going to get them across, capture their attention, bring them across to the opt-in form. The opt-in form should have enough information there to really want them to enter their details to get more information. Now, this opt-in form could be a lead magnet. So it could be you offering some video training, it could be you offering an ebook, it could be offering something like a checklist, something like that, something of value, tangible value that they're going to be interested in. So the key is your messaging within your first part of marketing's got to call out your target market. They'll then come across to opt-in. So you might have, as I say, when they come across to the opt-in, there might be 100 people that opt in. Probably not. You probably have 100 website visitors, and you probably have a percentage that'll opt in 20-30%, maybe it's even less. Then what we can do is we can do a little bit of a warm-up with a bridge page, and that bridge page can be telling me a little bit about what's going to happen next. So you could either have, if you're doing, for example, promoting somebody else's product, you can tell them a little bit about your journey, why you got involved with the product, and warm them up that way. That bridge page, if you're not going to do that, you can actually use that as a thank you page. On that thank you page, you can tell them what's going to happen next. This is when they get access to this product, or because of the information into your sign up form, opt-in form. This is what's going to happen next. You need to check the email inbox, check the spam folders, etc., because it's going to be an email coming from me. And what you can do if you're running an affiliate product, you can then redirect them to an affiliate offer if you wish on that thank you page. That's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is have that bridge page, just tell them what to look for next, and then direct them across to the sales page. That's another way of doing it. So you'd have that link to the sales page. There's your bridge page. This is what's going to happen next. This is what you need to do. So show them exactly what you need to do. Don't assume that people are going to be able to just understand what's happening when I land on the thank you page. Show them step 1, check your email inbox folder. Step 2, whitelist the email by moving it from your promotions folder to your inbox folder. Step 3, click below and get access to whatever it is you're promoting, whatever it is you're selling, and that'll take them through the sales page. At the same time as doing the opt-in, we've got the welcome email. So that's the first part of the email series, and this is where we're taking them from the, obviously got the attention. We've now captured the interest. We want to build that interest, and we want to build it up, build the crescendo up where they want to take the desired action, and the desire is to what I want to learn more about this, and we do that with a series of emails, and it could be 5, 7, 15, 20 emails, depending on how complicated the sales process is you want to make it. Or if it's a high ticket item, sometimes you need more touch points, more emails. And it may be that some of the emails is reach out on Messenger and things like that as well. So you want to have these touch points built into your marketing mix. But we're going to keep it simple to start with. But as you can see, this is a process. This is what we're looking to do. So traffic, this is where we're going to catch their attention on social media of your adverts. Get them across to our website, have enough information there for them to make a decision to say, yeah, I want to opt in, something of value, a lead magnet. The opt-in, the bridge page can either be your thank you page, or it could be a page where you do some pre-selling of the opportunity that you're going to send them to, if it's an affiliate offer, for example. And then across the sales page, that's where it's either your sales page or it's a sales page of the affiliate offer that you're promoting. And then we have the follow-up sequences below, which is the email sequence that takes them on their journey from just on getting to know a little bit about you, that awareness stage, through to the interest, to the desire, to the action. Next time we'll switch your phone off. Anyway, so we've got the action. This is where we're taking us through the funnel. A simple funnel. This is, I say, if we're going to do a full built-out funnel, which takes them through the process. We have a solo ad funnel, which is a standard funnel like this, which will pop up in just a second. This tool, by the way, that I'm using is Funneletics, and I'll share the links in the group as well. So we're going to do the full-blown training within the group for this. So we'll have solo ads. Basically, as I say, you'll send off the very standard page like this. They then come in, they'll sign up. If I just bring it back here, this is where they'll opt into that page. So that page there is basically this page here. So they'll opt into this. We'll then put them into our email autoresponder, where we can then follow up with a different email sequence. I know it says second email, second email, second email, second email. That's just because I copy and pasted because I'm a bit lazy. And then also, as they opt in, they'll then go across direct to the sales page. So we can redirect them straight away. Now we can either decide to put that bridge page in there like we had on the previous funnel, or we can just put them straight across to our offer, whatever we're promoting. We can just send them straight to that. The beauty of having this advert and having an advert like this, or having a page that's generic like this, is you can swap out the back end. You can put anything you want behind this, any offer that's relevant to whatever's on this sales page. So you're not having to redo the funnel every time. All you need to do is you can swap out what offer you're putting in at the back end of here. So it's quite easy to do. And again, I'm going to walk you through this when we start looking at the actual technical aspects of this. Again, this is just the overview to give you an example of how you can get funnels set up. Similar process. In this case, the traffic source is a solo ad. We don't have to go at that full complex funnel stage. We get them into the opt-in page. We get them across the sales page, which is where we make our money. And then we follow up with email sequences. And again, these emails are typically provided by the vendor of the product that you're promoting. So if you're an affiliate, they'll typically give you some email sequence. The caveat is everybody, every man, dog, parrot, and hamster who's promoting this product will actually have the same emails. So it's better to stand out and, if you can, write your emails, or just basically look at the emails that they provide and try and make them a little bit better. Thanks to ChatGPT, that's much easier now, because you can put them emails into ChatGPT and ask them to give a different aspect to that and write different versions of that email for you. So there you have it. And again, the end product here is we're looking at a purchase. It depends on what you're looking to achieve from your funnel. In this case, these are basically sales funnels where we want to get the sale at the end of it. There's also webinar funnels as well, where we could be doing an advert here on social media saying, join the webinar, they opt into the webinar. They get the welcome email, which will tell them when the webinar is, and you'll send the reminders of the webinar. And then this here will be the webinar itself, where you do the selling, and then you take them to the purchase. So there's different funnels. So again, this first video, just to give you a quick overview of what a sales funnel is, show you the concept of a sales funnel. Getting back to that first part, it's attracting people to your website, building up enough awareness, enough interest, where they move into the top of the funnel, which is tofu, top of the funnel, then move them through to the desire, which is the middle of the funnel, and then take them to where they're going to take action and start buying from you, which is the bottom of the funnel. That's what we're looking to do. And then it's rinse and repeat. Keep feeding that funnel with good quality traffic, and as it filters through, your percentages will increase. And what you do is you go through your funnel, which again, part of this training we're going to go through, is we're going to show you how to optimize your funnel. Look for where there's any leaks, because a funnel is, if you think of a funnel like a bucket, there could be leaks where there's something you might be not saying or not saying on your website that is putting people off. So we'll have a look at that first of all, and then each stage we look to see if there's any other leaks within these buckets as we go through, and we patch that to make your funnel much more efficient. So you're getting higher conversion rates from website visitors to people who are now gone into the interest side, more people going through into the desire phase, and more people then taking action and buying what you're selling or buying what you're promoting. So this is video 1. Hope you enjoyed that. Join the group, check the rest of the videos out in the group, and also within the members area. If you've purchased the ebook, if you've got the Ultimate Side Hustle ebook, there's a much more detailed training going to be in that section within your members area on how to set these funnels up. And again, I'm going to walk you through the actual mechanics of doing this, and I'm going to show you step by step how to get this done, starting with a free version, and then we're moving into the paid versions as well. And then we'll also look at driving traffic to your funnel and taking your customer on their journey from website visitor right way through to becoming a customer, a valued customer, as we go through. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.